Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again. In the previous video, we have already seen how to download a .NET 8 in your laptop, and now we are going to create one sample application with .NET. So let me open my Visual Studio. I have already installed this in my laptop, and now I'm just creating a sample project. So first click on this new project here, and after clicking here, I will get some suggestions or recommendation I can say from Visual Studio. And now here multiple options are there. Let me search with the API. As of now, we are going to create one API application. Now on the top, you can see ASP.NET Core Web API, and here you can see C Sharp. So just make sure that you will select this, not this app. So after selecting this, you click on the next button over here. And after clicking on next button, let me give it a naming convention like my first API. .NET 8, and here I just select a path. You can also browse it as per your desired location. Okay, and after this selection of the location, let me click on this next button over here. And after clicking on next button, I need to select the framework, that on which framework I need to create this API. Either it is .NET 6, it is 7 or 8. As of now, we are going to cover .NET 8. So let me select this. So by default, don't disturb any kind of setting. By default, we need to go with these settings. Okay, and now we need to create this project after clicking on this button over here. And after clicking on this button, this project start creating. So now this got created, and we have a few of the folders like controllers, properties, app settings, program.cs, and weather forecast.cs. So as of now, this project is created, and few of the folders are here. I'll talk about these later. Let me first build this application and run this, and then we can see how it is looking. So as of now, I just go to the build button. There's a button on top of this Visual Studio. Let me click on this build solution. And after clicking on this button, you can see this is the output that we are getting. Like build started at this and took somewhere around this time, and it is like one succeeded. As of now, we have only one project, so it is like one succeeded. And now we need to hit this HTTPS button over here. After clicking on this button, this project starts to run. Okay, now it is asking for some of the access. Let provide it, like allow access, and after that we can get this localhost 7067, and this is a Swagger documentation. We will also talk about this later. As of now, you can see this is a get API that is by default is available in the sample application. So let's try it out, that how it is reverting us the result. And let me click on the execute button. So after clicking on the execute button, I'll get a response. So you can see this is the request URL that I am requesting to the code, and our code is generating this kind of output. Okay, so this is our .NET 8 web API, that is a sample application. We'll start working on this project soon, and that's how this API is working.